Yeah, fine. Kĩgĩna muna luongo chairman mar party.
Kel mipogo ji mar suna osetim nade osekwal.
An asuna samana wuok josuna.
When ODM says that you should vote against a bill that is oppressive and is offensive and is going to make people suffer, and you refuse to do so, the most honorable thing you would do is to resign your seat, go back to the people and seek for fresh mandates.
As parliamentarians, as members of the National Assembly, we did our part. We listened to you, and those of us who chose to stand with the people, we voted against that punitive finance bill. Since Kenya Kwanza used force, coercion, bribery, and intimidation to push it through, we have now resorted to come back to you.
On Tuesday, history will be made in this country. That sisi kama Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya na wafuasi wetu wote tutakutana Kamkunji kuamua the next course of action for our people, for our country.